on each page. So 13. Okay, so Daniel, you can start and do 2 verses. You guys okay? 2 each. So Abraham left Egypt, and which way did he go? Negative. Okay, all on who? Okay, so who was the wife and yo? Yeah, you want to try? This is what Haley said. It's a better
Hello, hello.
Then people can hear these guys reading the Bible. Sean and friends read the Bible, right?
Yep. So Abraham left Egypt and traveled north into the negative along with his wife and Lot and all that they owned.
All that they owned. Yep.
Abraham was very rich in